In the last video, we took care of the zombie movement for the green zombie. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to take care of the movement for the red zombie. So just like with the bullets, all we're going to do is we're going to take this zombie code and we're just going to drag and drop it over to the red zombie. So I'm going to take this one, drag it, drop it to the red zombie, drag it, drop it to the red zombie. And let's just make our changes like we did before. So for the red zombie, he's going to appear over here. So I need him to face to the left. So go to direction, -90. There you go. Also, when he appears, the original, we need to change that. So we don't need it to be a -240. We need it to be a positive. So just type in 240. And now let's test it out and see what happens. Excellent. Now we have both red and green zombies showing up. And they're going to eat our brains. Now that we have the movement for our hero set up and we can shoot, what we need to do now is we need to make it so our bullets actually do something to the zombies. We actually need to be able to shoot these guys and make them go away. So, of course, we're going to use another if statement. Let's go ahead and set our if statement up inside of one of the clones. So because we're already inside the red zombie here, let's go ahead and do our programming here. Go ahead and click on Control and get your if statement and pull it out right there. And what we're going to say is we're going to say if touching bullet or bullet. So if we're touching the left bullet or the right bullet, because maybe the left bullet hits a zombie coming on the right. We don't know. Go ahead now and we're going to go to operators. We're going to get and we're going to get if for touching. We're going to get two of these. We're going to say left bullet, right bullet. You know, I told you the wrong thing. Not and. We want to get or. Sorry about that. Or if touching right bullet or left bullet. What should they do? They need to delete. So Control, delete this clone. And I'm going to take that out. I'm going to duplicate it, plop it right there, and I'm going to drag it over to the green zombie. Actually, I didn't need to duplicate it. Go to your green zombie. Oh, it's all the way up to the top. And all we need to do is take this and plug it in. There we go. Right where you see when I start as a clone. So let's see what happens. There we go. Now, the problem with this is that our bullets don't delete, so you can see that the zombies are now flashing. The bullets don't delete, but then also, stop my program and run it again. Let's get a couple of zombies on the screen. All of my bullets will shoot through all of the zombies. I want it to be one bullet, one zombie. So if I shoot, see, I just take out all of them. I don't want that to happen. So in the next video, we're going to work on making the bullets delete and only deleting one zombie when they get hit.